herbaceous, because I could go into all the crazy herbs that no one's ever heard of, but there's so many herbs right in our kitchens, right in our refrigerators that people overlook. Now, does this herb look familiar to you or smell familiar to you?
The smell kind of does, but I'm not gonna get it. I know I'm not gonna get it.
Okay. Well, as y'all know, I'm from Nigeria, so this is called zobo where I'm from, or bisop. But in the Caribbean, they call it sorrel, or in the United States, it's this hibiscus.
Okay, from hibiscus tea.
Yeah.
And I had sorrel at an African restaurant one time, and it was very,
very, very, very good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Yes, that's one of our special drinks.
Yeah.
But this is something that if you don't have in your kitchen currently, it's very easy to get in most major grocery stores or any of the international markets. And why this is so good, it's really known for blood pressure, like cardiovascular health. So if you have like modest blood pressure issues, if you drink 1-2 cups this a day, you don't have to be on medication. And there's so many studies that support this, and then you don't have any of the side effects associated with that. So this is something you want to keep in your kitchen for blood pressure support. It's also a great swap for if you do any kind of like sugary drinks.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate the bright, tart freshness of a sorrel drink or a hibiscus drink.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do that. So blood pressure, it lowers the diastolic and the systolic pressure points. Yeah, it's really good with that. Also, from a metabolic perspective, it helps with cholesterol and oxidative stress reduction.
That's us.
And also, this is so amazing, it also helps with blood sugar. So if you eat something especially that's particularly high on the glycemic index, this will help blunt that spike when you drink it after a meal. If somebody
said, you said what after you do the hibiscus?
It'll blunt a
blood sugar. I'm sorry, I didn't know that. And then she said, I didn't
so blood sugar spike after a meal. So it does a lot of work, and so this is something you want to really consume. This dark red, purpley color, these are called anthocyanins and polyphenols. So that's where you get all the antioxidants, and that's where you get all the stuff to help with your blood vessel protection. So this is why it's so good for you. It's like a mild ACE inhibitor, like naturally, without taking a pharmaceutical.
Keyword natural.
Natural
People.
Now, how you want to do this, the easiest way to do it is just a cold infusion. And so I have an example of that here for you.
Okay.
So I just put this in water, distilled water overnight. You don't have to sweeten it. It's better if it's unsweetened, or if you have to have sweetener, add very little sweetener to it.
Look at the color.
And then, yes, look at this.
Oh, that looks good. It just looks good.
It's beautiful.
Like just a natural color. It just looks good.
And then he can taste that. And then having 1-2 cups of this a day, if you have blood pressure issues or you want to prevent it, you should definitely consider this. Now, contraindications. If you're currently on blood sugar medication, or any kind of diuretic, consult your healthcare team because they don't interact well together. And if you're breastfeeding or pregnant, is not advised to drink 1-2 cups this a day. Okay. But this is something you want to do. It's so easy to have in your house. It's so easy to do because literally just put it in some water, and then you wake up the next day, you have tea. You just drink 1-2 cups a day.
So you can buy hibiscus like this out of the store.
Yes, you buy a whole bag of it for like $4. A big bag of it for $4, and you don't need that much to do this.
And tell your auntie or your grandmama this is hibiscus. Put a label on it because your grandmama think it's potpourri, and she'll have it on the stove in a pot with some hot water boiling. And grandma, that's not what this is.
You're right about that.
Yeah, that's not what this is.
You're right.
It's hibiscus, grandmama.
So this is for you and your lovely, beautiful wife.
Oh, thank you.
So it's very, it has a great flavor where it doesn't need anything added to it.
No, that's what I'm digging. I'm digging the natural flavor. Where a lot of times we like, oh, put some sugar on it. This is not Kool-Aid.
No.
Once again, it's natural. How about this? Anything that God thought you needed to make this taste better is in there. You got to adapt. And anything he thought to make this better for you, it's already in there. So when you start like, oh, well, it needs, and where the hot sauce and put the sugar, you're killing the benefits of what's in the cup.
And it's not heated, so you're getting all the benefits naturally without any kind of degradation.
That's good.